The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser has just completed its official new car assessment program side impact pull test under the supervision of the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, and the results speak volumes about its safety engineering. Conducted by Calspan Corporation in Buffalo, New York, this test was designed to evaluate how well the Land Cruiser protects its occupants during a severe side impact collision. The test vehicle, a 5-door sport utility vehicle in ice-cap white, was propelled into a rigid pole at an angle of 75 degrees and a velocity of 31.9 kilometers per hour. A single-part 572V dummy, representing a small adult driver, was placed in the driver's seat to record data on potential injuries. The sensors collected information from the dummy's head, spine, ribs, pelvis, and abdomen during the impact. When it comes to the results, the numbers tell a reassuring story. The head injury criterion measured 332.142, far below the threshold of 1,000. The lower spine acceleration came in at 41.588 G, and the total pelvic force was 3,122.613 newtons, well under the 5,525 limit. Thoracic rib deflection reached 23 millimeters, and the abdominal rib deflection recorded 24.69 millimeters. These results demonstrate that the Land Cruiser's side airbags, seatbelt pretensioners, and reinforced door structures all worked together to manage crash energy effectively. Both front and rear doors on the impacted side remained attached to the body and did not open during or after the collision. The opposite side doors stayed shut as well, confirming excellent structural integrity. The curtain airbags deployed flawlessly, covering both rows of seats, while the driver's torso and pelvis airbags provided additional protection in the lower body region. Post-test analysis showed that the A and B pillars experienced some buckling, but no major intrusion occurred in the passenger compartment. The windshield cracked, and the driver's side window shattered as expected in a pole impact scenario. Inside the cabin, the seat backs, floor mounts, and seatbelt systems all remained firmly in place. The test vehicle also underwent Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard 305 electrical safety evaluations, confirming that no electrolyte leakage or electrical hazards were present following the impact and rollover simulation. The propulsion battery isolation measured 16,125 ohms per volt, well above the required 500 ohms per volt threshold, demonstrating that Toyota's hybrid safety design remains highly effective under crash conditions. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser proved itself to be an exceptionally safe vehicle, combining advanced airbag systems, strong structural components, and hybrid safety compliance that goes beyond expectations. It is a reminder of how modern engineering and technology work hand in hand to safeguard occupants in real-world crash situations. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss more safety and performance updates from the automotive world.